Attention, an emergency alert has been issued for the safety of your life. We are not testing. I repeat, not a test. NASA has detected a supernova in the sky, and anyone outside has 24 hours to get to hospital before your skin melts and you have organ failure. Radio stations will use remaining cell towers, so you may not get any 5 grams or for grams, so use as little as you can to keep information going around. Affected states are New York City, Ohio, Michigan, Texas, and Dallas, and error.
Emergency alert system issued by Canadian government. Due to the USA falling, emergency by unknown means the following countries have been destroyed: China, USA, India, France, Zimbabwe. You need to evacuate to a new universe. It's going to take an estimated.
Emergency by the government issued at 8:35 a.m. IT is unsafe to go outside. It shows zero mercy.
Well, please God, let me stay alive. I can't stand this. I lost my family, but even though I lost them, I want to thank the NASA team for helping us far in this process, or else I wouldn't be alive. Well, God, thank you for keeping me alive, and anyone who finds this in 25 years' time, God bless you. Before this reaches 1 gigabyte, I like to thank everyone I knew and my family in heaven. Right, I need to get into this heli. Bye-bye.